Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to send disappearing messages on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone and make sure you're chatting with someone using iMessage, not SMS. You'll know it's iMessage if the chat bubbles are blue. Now, to enable disappearing messages, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Messages. From here, look for the Message History section. Tap on Keep Messages. You'll see three options: Forever, 1 year, and 30 days. Select 30 days or 1 year. This means your messages will automatically expire and be deleted after the selected time. Next, let's talk about audio messages. In the same Messages settings, scroll down to the Audio Messages section. Tap on Expire and choose either after 2 minutes or never. If you select after 2 minutes, any audio message you send or receive will automatically disappear after 2 minutes. Now for photos and videos. While iMessage doesn't auto-expire photos and videos by default, you can send them as temporary content using iMessage apps or manually delete them later. Combined with the message history setting, media will also be removed once the conversation expires. And that's it. Your iPhone will now automatically delete old messages and audio clips, helping you keep your chats private and clutter-free without installing any third-party apps. Thank you for watching.